Hi, Jackie. Hi, Waklu. Hi, Ward. Hi, Babsham. Hi, Kentan. Hi, Nathan. Hi, Misaki. Hi, Jimhan. Anong isda ang susulat? Ano? Hi, ID number. Hi, Alucard. Lafish. Ayan, gets ko yan. Lafish. Any plans for New Year? Nothing. Just like before, we will celebrate it as a family. Hi, Z. Wala na akong boses, ah. Kaya mo yan. Siya mag-shoutout sa sarili niya dyan. Get plenty of food. Yes. And we will the one who will cook. Me and my sister. Hi, Chef. We are the one who will cook like ano. Hey, long-term break, my idol. And also my father. Like, the three of us are the one who cook. Hello! You're here again. What are you doing? I thought you used your another account. Hi, Eric. Yes, I will share it and I will post it on my day. What are you thinking? Why camera 2 up, not down? You always think that way. Big words English. Ayun yung ano ko, parang first language ko dito sa sa Bigo, English. I'm a guy. Hi, Michael. Hi, Jimby. Can you hear my sister, guys? She's in another room. And she's so happy. Hi, Suzy. Hi, Gimbe. Hi, Butterfly. They say always look at your prey. Oh my god. Who's your prey? Hi, Haiku. Hi, AA. Hi, Christian. Hi, Nowhere. Hi, Alucard. Hi, Dad. What are you gonna do in New Year? Long-term break. Oh, he left already. Hi, Taro. Hi, the number. What about you, Tito? What are you gonna do? Because I'm a hunter. Yes. If you will one who will hunt. Hi, Shane. Hi, Virgilio. Oh, really? Hi, Daddy. Yes, I forget that's your plan. You will spend your New Year doing fishing Hi, the number. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you so much. Happy 2-star, guys. Ay, happy 2-star. Happy 1-star, guys. Thank you. Yes. Okay. Hi, MK. Hi, Zach. Hi, Kazu. Hi, Jans Daniel. Hi, George. Kapatid ko nagkipag-away sa kabilang sa kabilang kwarto. Hi, Sydney. Hi, Bumi. Hi, SA. Hi, okay. Hi, Wells. Hi, Pinas. Hi, password. Hi, Crash. Hi, Atlog. Hi, Reginald. Douglas. Hi, love mo ba ako? Hello, Atlog. Hi, Datdat. Hi, No Name. Sim. Hi, Janjun. Hi, Asal Masuk. Dan. Hi, Ivan. Hi, the number. Hi, Dick Me. Hi, Gordon. Hi, Don. Hi, Mas. Hi, Sir. Hi, CJ7. Hi, Ivan. Hi, Mako. Hi, Nyan, Daddy. Douglas, okay ka lang? Hi, Clay. What the hair? Hi, Ifug. Cappuccina tra la la 288, hindi mo nakasave.
Ano yung kinanan mo dito? Rabon. Okay. Sorry. Kasi nga galing sa sa
Naglakat ka lang.
Lakad lang po. Pero madaling araw ko po yung nalawat.
Thank you, Jack. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sorry. Kasi nga galing sa sa
Naglakat ka lang.
Lakad lang po. Pero madaling araw ko po yung nilalawat. Yan po, highway yung kinanan mo dito, Rabon. Okay. Sorry, kasi nga galing sa sa
Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Dadapling para. Hi, KM.
As a working psychology student athlete. Show edition!
Kilala niyo ba to? Nasa taas.
Vote.
Why are you speechless? Hi, Food Salad. Hi, Bobby. Hi, Mark Flores. Hi, Bro. Hi, Cal. Hi, Marso. Hi, Cal. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, Jack. Hi, Jay. Hi, Jardes. Hi, Aman. Hello, Jars. How are you? Hi, Zach. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Marian. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, I followed you already. Hi, Mr. P. Thank you. Oh my God, thank you so much. Thank you, Jack. Thank you. You're so nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks. Hi, Alonso. Thank you. Hi, Mr. Daddy. Hi, Icon Boer. Hi, Salman. Thank you, Pip. Hi, Jay. Thank you so much, Jack. Hi, Jay. How are you, Mr. Daddy? Don't you think I'm cute? Che. Thank you, Jack. Yes, that's the proof that I'm cute. Thank you. Hi, Behar. Yeah. How are you, Mr. Daddy? What are you doing? Hi, Ve. Who's that? my God, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Ta-la-la. Hala, thank you. Thank you, Jack. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Time check. Kaya ba ba? With 1,000 songs in your study playlist, sus, sisiw lang yan eh.
Hi,
Kahit
Ricky.
tayo mong lock in thanks to Spotify. You can add up to 100,
Hi,
100,
Ian.
1,000 songs, or even more to keep you focused on your next
Hindi ko
exam.
makita yung sa relic
Your
ko.
study playlist on Spotify.
Hello, Ricky.
Okay sa balay? May oras
Ay,
mag-ATV
okay.
sa gawas? Who said karaoke nights can't be done in the palm of your hand? Maski unsa pa na nga kanta,
Hi, Michael.
take the karaoke stage anytime, anywhere. Nanay song buko, singer na lang po ang. So, hindi na namin lyrics on Spotify.
Let us set the vibe. Find your soundtrack on Spotify.
Cooking up my best.
Oh my God, I'm lag. Hi, Hero. Nag! Bigay tayo, wag muna. Ha? Bigay muna tayo? Ha? Ba't hindi ka na-charge?
Hi, DJ Kitty.
Tumingin ka sa kanila.
Hi, guys. Please pet me. This is my ate. Pelikula.
Sa pelikula eh, pero cute.
Grabe ka naman.
Kontrabida talaga ugali niya.
Hoy.
Maldita yan eh. Ilang percent ka na lang? Ha? Kaya pa yan. Kaya pa 1 hour yan, no?
Hi, Gabe Andres. Hello, Frank.
Wala pa ng dede ko pag nakaganto.
Mas tape mo beauty ko.
Tulungan mo nga siya. Bigay nga. Ay, talaga. Hey, Tito, what are you doing? I forgot to ask. Are you still watching? Guys, please help us. Please help me. So, we will draw something on her face.
Grabe ka. Ina mo talaga, huge.
Walang ano. Wait nga, lagyan ko nga ng sticker.
Kailangan may ito. Kaya mo kami manalo sa amin.
Tryna let you breathe, but some I wanna revisit.
Grabe, walang tao ah. Wala kang ano.
Wala na ngayon.
I would rather have you right by my side. And what we do behind closed doors, nobody knows.
Anong sabi nila kanina? Ba't kaya tinatawag? Ibibigay ata sa'yo, di ka bumaba.
Spin the block, but I might spin the fire. And pull up on every bitch that thinks you want it. You let me.
Taray. Dapat sinabi mo, tatlo tayong matangos ang ilong.
Ito talaga lahat ng pangungusap nakasama ka. Baka ikaw talaga yung mawala namin kapatid. Baby May.
Gusto ko pala dyan.
Diba? Gusto mo rin huge? Hello, Claudio. Claudio, help me. Claudio, you're sweet. You make me want so hard. Pero mas bet kita. Para kang si Muan. Yan, Muan ang
Pero mas bet namin pag tinulungan mo kami.
wala nanalo sa amin.
Draw. Mga nagsawa na sila kakalaro natin.
Capture natin to, walang nanalo.
Hi, Tony. Hi, Joshua. Douglas. Hello, how are you? I'm good, my friend. That's nice.
Hi, Tony G. We're fine.
I'm fine. We are doing a punishment PK. The one who lose, we will write something on her face.
It's talking, oh I love when you talking. Bitch, I'm a boss, I do what I want. I don't need a nigga controlling me. I look at my wrist, it's an AP watch. I put your nigga in point stop. He wanna fuck, bitch, girl, not a thought. I keep it truthful, he coming alive. He did the thought I was going insane. Scratching his back, I know he feeling pain. Okay, he asked me out like snow day. Eliante is the cocaine.
Ay, sorry. Hello,
Wala kang uso na lang eh.
Ang ganda ng kanta ko.
With me, he gon' need sage. Don't make me go back to my old ways.
Do it. Magic.
It's fine. It's fine. Just normal
Guys,
day.
you don't want us to win? Hi, Jayman.
Sino? Tawa na sila. Naraw-araw kasi. Imbis na dumami, pabawas ng pabawas akin yung viewer. Parang nangyayari sa mundo ko, te. Maga pa, alas 8 na. Baliktad nangyayari sa mundo ko. Pero tayong nasa ibang dimension. Ikaw sa langit, ako sa gitna. Help us, guys. Hello, Tote Cola. Hi, guys. Kapag wala pa nag-send, mamaya na lang ulit. Hi, meow. Hello, meow. Hello. Thank you, meow. Hello. Grabe ugali mo, meow. Sa akin ka, sa kanya ka nagbigay. Oh my God. Thank you. Ayun pala, akala ko nakalimutan mo na ako eh. Thank you, meow. Hi, Jay. Hello, iyo Toto. Maraming panalo for today. Hello, iyo to. Hello, Jay. Hi, Jay. Hello, Vince. Oh my God. We're tired again. We're tired? Rested. Thank you, guys. Yeah, it's my sister. I'm her sister. Wala na magbibigay sa atin. Mamaya na kapag medyo may supporter ka na dyan. Bye-bye! Hi, Nico team! Mamaya na. Ay, malis na pala. Oh my God, guys. Don't support me. I think it's not good, but it's good.
You want to marry me? Yeah, that's the best day of my life. I somehow see what's beautiful. Things that are ephemeral. I'm my only friend of mine. It's just a piece of my heart.
Highway yung dinanan mo dito. Rabon. Okay. Sorry. Kasi nga galing sa San Pablo.
Naglakad ka lang?
Naglakad ng popo. Pero madaling araw ko po yung nilalakad. Kasi Rabon. Sino ba kayo? Days.
So, kung layo ako ng nilakad mo pala, no?
Sa'yo.
Malayo? Bakit? Saan ka naglalakad? Alam mo ba daan?
Nakita ko itong 2 days before po ngayon. Nakita ko lang po yung totoo.
Sinundan mo na yan?
28?
Yung tangkin na daanan mo pa. Opo, tangkin po. Yan po highway yung dinanan mo dito. Rabon. Okay. Sorry. Kasi nga galing sa San Pablo.
Naglakad ka lang?
Lakad ng po. Pero madaling
Okay.
araw po yung nilalakad. Kasi number na Rabon. Sino ba? Okay.
So, ang layo dapat ang nilakad mo pala mo, no?
Kasi yun po.
Malayo? Bakit? Saan ka naglalakad? Alam mo ba daan?
Nakita ko itong 2 days before po ngayon. Nakita ko lang po yung
Okay.
Sinundan mo na yan?
sinusundan ko po. Yung tangkin na daanan mo pa. Opo, tangkin po. Okay. Sorry. Kasi nga galing sa San Pablo.
Naglakad ka lang?
Ang pangarap ko talaga negosyo kapag nagkapera ko, ate ko balutan. Ate, sa pamilya ko palang paldong-paldo na ako. Ubus yan for sure gabi-gabi. Pero as of now, ate ko, gastos muna tayo. Eto nga pala, napabili na naman ang babaeng to ng balot dito kay TikTok. Alam nyo ba, may natira ng 5 nung nakaraan. Tapos ayaw nilang magluto ng balot kasi baka kulangin lang daw. So napa-order nga ulit ako. Tapos papartneran mo pa nga ng sukang pinapurat. Ate, sobrang sarap. 11 nga pala yung niluto kong balot, ate. Tapos alam mo, 4 lang kaming kakain. Si brother, si sister, and si mother at ako syempre. Alam mo ba na dito kay TikTok may mabibili ka na din ate kong balot? Yes po, opo. Marireceive mo ito.
Have you ever tried this one? Have you ever tried this one? Have you ever tried this one? Have you ever tried this one?
Have you heard the story of the girl who grew her nails for 9 years and lost part of her finger because of it? Her name was Reina, and she was obsessed with having the...
Welcome back! And how exciting is that?
Super exciting! Actually, long overdue siya. You know what? Actually, yung nag-usap na kami before I left for Australia. Before I left for Australia in March 2020, nag-usap na kami noon. So, matagal na siyang nasa puso ko at nasa isip ko. Na-execute ko na siya finally. And I must say, para dumating sa point na to, para iuwi yung buong family ko dito at lahat ng gamit namin, it was a long journey.
Okay, at ang dahilan kung bakit kayo nagbabalik dito ay ang iyong karera.
Siguro, pangatlo yon. Pangatlo.
Okay, anong una at pangalawa?
Una, kasi kailangan talaga namin ng suporta. So, ako kasi nag-suffer ako eh. I was
Hi,
always
JR.
in survival mode.
Grabe yung cravings ko sa spicy Korean noodles ngayon, guys. Buti na lang merong mura dito sa TikTok. Pero yun, 5 packs na to pero wala pang 200. Sa mga convenience store to, ang mahal na ito. Kaya siya nagka-trending dito sa TikTok. Tara na, huwag natin patagalin. Lutuin na natin yan. Siguro naman alam niyo na kung paano lutuin to. Kulon nyo lang siya sa tubig. Siguro mga 3 minutes lang para hindi malata yung noodles. Pero syempre, hintayin nyo munang kumulo yung tubig bago nyo ilagay yung noodles. Tapos konting halo-halo lang para magpantay yung luto. Basta alam nyo na yun, hindi ko na kailangan isa-isayin pa. Doon na kagad tayo sa paglalagay ng sauce para makain na natin to. Medyo mahina yung tolerance nyo sa anghang. Kahit huwag nyo ubusin yung sauce na to, Diyos ko, yun ang pahirapan yung sarili nyo. Malasa naman siya kahit hindi mo ubusin to eh. Siyempre para mas ma-enjoy nyo yung food, diba? Mali nga ako dito eh, dapat pala hinalo ko muna yung noodles tsaka yung sauce.
Bandang 4 o'clock na po kanina ay nakarating po ang mga personnel ng KCPD at yung mga relatives po ni Shera doon sa Quezon, Pangasinan para po siya ay sundin. Bandang...
Ate ko, dalian nyo kasi
Ano mo ako, di magbabago pag ikaw. Hi, Tibay. Hi, Ari.
Whenever, wherever, we're meant to be together.
Kain na para
When my daughter came home and asked me what a candy bracelet is, I knew it was time to finally show her. I got so excited since these are so nostalgic. So I got in the kitchen and decided to make her one really quick. Separated my eggs, started whipping up my egg whites and gradually adding in some sugar to make a meringue. Once everything looked glossy and white,
Miriam.
I divided it in two and put it in separate bowls before adding some purple color and pink color to my 2 batches. I wanted these to be pastel colors since our favorite colors are pink and purple. I gave those a mix and then filled them over to my piping bags. I started by piping my pink meringue and put the purple one in the fridge to chill. And this was the most tedious but also fun part. I piped all these small little circles onto my baking tray, which took me about 2 hours. Once the pink was done, I moved on to the purple and then popped them in the oven for about 2 hours, turned my oven off, and let them cool down in the oven for another hour. I then transferred everything to my plate and started on my bracelets. I threaded my meringue on, alternating between the pink and purple. Rumble loved it, and 10 minutes later she asked me for another bracelet. When my daughter came home and asked me what a candy bracelet is, I knew it was time to finally show her. I got so excited.
Yes, well, and there we have our fabulous American mom lasagna. The dishwasher's going, the kids are playing, the dog's barking, whatever. We're making American lasagna. Okay, this is not authentic lasagna, but it is delicious. Spray your lasagna pan. Whatever pasta sauce you like, I usually get whatever's the cheapest. Now, you cannot make this with not enough sauce. If it is dry, it's not good, okay? All right, so down here, just a layer of sauce. I used like almost everything, okay? All right, and then oven-ready lasagna noodles. We're not boiling lasagna noodles. This is just so delicious. They can overlap. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're not stressing it, just getting it in there. I break them sometimes. Yeah. The best layer. This is actually...
Hi, Lawrence.
Okay, our
Hi,
family
Boss
bread.
Love.
I'm not looking that up. But I'll wash it really well. Okay, so a whole thing of ricotta. This is 32 ounces of ricotta. Yes, that's a lot, but yes, you need it. Parmesan cheese. I don't know. Kind of a lot.
Ang dami.
Garlic salt. Plenty. Okay, these are kind of small, so I'm going to do 2x. Yeah, I am. It's okay if this is not perfect. I'm going to give it just a
Hello.
little mix. And then
Korean
I'm going to
nail.
put some cheese in it. All right.
Hi, Jolisa. Hi, Dara.
This is whatever cheese.
Hello, how are
Okay,
you?
normally mozzarella would be great.
Hi,
with this,
Bryce.
but I have white cheddar, which is not going to be bad, you know? That is our ricotta mixture. So we're going to put maybe half of this. I like the ricotta mixture.
Thank you,
I like
Bryce.
the ricotta layer. It's just the best
Welcome.
layer. I like a lot, but it,
Hi, Meow Meow. Hi, Edge. Hi, D number. Hi, Adik. Adik. Hi, Ray. Hi, Manig. I'm from the Philippines. Ako, di magbabago. Hi, Lawrence. Hi, Ethan. Hi, Abdul. Oh, nice country, yes. What about you? Where are you from? Hi, Movie. Hi, Michael. Hi, Chovu. Oh, you're from Thailand? Am I right? Hi, A. Hi, Round. Hi, that. Hi, Samuel. Hi, Billy. Yeah, how were you, Korean name? Hi, Rodrigo Moraes. Hello, how are you? From Taytay Rizal. Ignita ka, Bryce, Pilipino ka pala. Nag-English mo ko. Hi, Azri. Hayop. Ay, ikaw ba yan? Ba't naging Bryce ka naman? Thank you. Nice to meet you too. Hi, Pedro. Hello, ID number. Hindi nga eh. Sobrang dala nga eh. Hi, Hellboy. Hi, Fazil. Ano lang yan, parang wala ko talaga akong choice. Hi, G-Man. Wala akong choice. Hello. Hi, Michael. Anong 50k quota? Hindi nga ako maka 15k ngayon eh. Ang quota ko lang ngayon 10k. Hi, Boss Contract. Hi, Daddy Bobby. Nung first, yung second month ko dito. Hi, Tardy. Once lang yun, tapos di na siya naulit. Ano na, kasunod 20, tapos hanggang sa ano. Hindi na naulit yung second month lang yun. Ilang months na ako dito? 9 months? 9 months. Hi, Wanted. Ano 4 months? Maybe move. Hi, Harry. Pero okay na rin. Kasi di rin naman kasi ako yung sobrang devoted dito. Yung parang dapat maabot ko to. Kung ano lang, gora lang. Kasi nakaka-stress kung ano. Kung parang ano ako. Kung parang pipilit ko kahit hindi naman kaya. Oo. Inuuna ko pa rin talaga study ko. Nagla-live lang ako 1 to 2 hours lang. Kaya okay na ako doon. Sakto lang naman siya. Hi, Cap Bravo. Chocolate. Ikaw nga, chocolate ko nasaan? Ikaw itong nandyan sa ibang bansa eh. Kamusta ka na? Okay ka lang dyan? Hi, Atake. Hi, Void. Nag-end ka na, Nag? Ba't ka nag-end? Bakit? Sobrang ano no, sobrang mahal magstay dito. Hello po, Kuya Gab. Okay, labat na siya. Di ba kahit ang dami ko rin nakakausap na ganyan eh. Yung ano, grabe, tuloy-tuloy ako magsalita, di naman ako naiintindihan. Naglalag ako, tuloy-tuloy yung salita ako, naglalag naman. Hello po, Kuya Gabay, meow. Oo, lalo na kapag ano, sobrang ano mo. Gets ko naman kaya ano, marami ring umaalis kasi ano, buhayin mo na lang yung mga host dito? Buhayin mo yung mga host sa sarili mong buhay, di mo mabuhay, ganon? Hi, Lamont. Gabi, nag-ano ako, nag-alag. Okay lang po, Kuya Gab. Hi, Choso. Hi, Zeus. Araw-araw akong lag dito. Nakailang palit na kami ng wifi. Ewan ko ba't ganun lagi. Mamaya maglalag ulit ako. Hey, Kuya mo! Hi, Rama. Thank you, Rama. Manila po. Hi Celeste. Hi Kuroshi. Hello, Rama. Hi Courtney. Wow, ang dami ah. Hindi pa po, Kuya Gab. Secret. Okay, Bryce. Thank you sa pagdaan dito. Hello, Courtney Bless.
Finally got it right. Although I know that you want mine. Trying to spend time by that waistline. I'm with you until I die.
Hi, 2 a.m.
This for life. Definition of a real one. I really found me the one.
Hi, Sugar. Hi, Apollo.
You, my job is never done.
I'm fine, Courtney. How are you? Aray ko sa atin. Okay, Kuya Gab. Thank you. Hi, Icons. Hi, James. Thank you, Courtney Bless. Thank you so much. Grabe, ang lag ko naman. I'm sorry guys if I'm so lag. Hi, Jens. Hi, Il. Hi, Bam. Bala. Hi, Alec Gray. Hi, Pervoso. Grabe naman ang lag ko. Oh, thank you, Courtney. Nice to meet you. Hi, TK. Hey, Craig. Kailan ka? Thank you, Courtney Bless. Hi, Mr. Dance. Gulat ko naman.
You know, this is like perfect, hearty, comforting. And if you get these layers messed up,
I'm back, guys. Hi lang.
this is another one. This is cold.
Thank you, Courtney. Hi lang, Kay. Thank you so much. ID number. Good time.
Jack. I like Colby Jack. I like cheddar. I like pepper jack in this. Okay? It's all good. More lasagna. Okay? Which way did I do? Sometimes I alternate them, but we're not stressing. We're just getting in there. Yeah. Yeah, we are. Okay. There we go. I love this lasagna. Now, I love a real lasagna too, with like a bechamel, you know, something more traditional. So this is very much like, I don't know, what would we call this? Like a tired mom lasagna who is an untrained cook. Looks like it's gonna overflow, but we're not stressing. Okay, we're gonna put it on a cookie sheet. It will kind of cook down, but if it overflows a little, you know what, that's okay, but you're gonna have a big old fat piece of lasagna, and if you have extra sauce, you can just save it and kind of pour it on top at the end. Yeah, you can. I have sharp cheddar this time, okay? We're just gonna get it all on there. This is gonna be so good, and really I think the weird combo of cheeses makes it good. Okay, what is this? Triple cheddar. Yeah, we're doing it. No, I'm stressing y'all out. Don't you worry though, we're safe on a cookie sheet. And then what else do I have? I have a little bit more sharp white cheddar. We'll do that too. I'm not sorry. Yeah. Okay, let's just finish up this little baby Parmesan cheese too.
Hi, 5 seconds.
Yes. Alright, this bad girl is going in the oven. 350 for maybe 45 minutes. But really, you're just cooking the noodles and melting the cheese. Here she is out of the oven. I'm gonna let her sit for maybe 15 minutes or so, and then we'll cut it. I'm gonna do a plate up video, so if you want to see like the full plate up, you just go find that video, but it smells so good. And there we have our fabulous American mom lasagna. The dishwasher's going, the kids are playing, the dog's barking, whatever. We're making American lasagna. Okay, this is not authentic lasagna, but it is delicious. Spray your lasagna pan. Whatever pasta sauce you like, I usually get whatever's the cheapest. Now, you cannot make this with not enough sauce.
My husband cleaned our kitchen last night. Also organized our cupboards. What a blessing. Where's my sourdough starter? Where's Javier? Where's my child? Dead in the trash. 6 grounds for divorce. My husband cleaned our kitchen last night. He also organized our cupboards. What a blessing. Where's my sourdough starter? Where's Javier? Where's my child?
Ano ginawa niya?
nakahanap ng takin. Tawagin ko kayo ng hinahanap na. Wala lang takin na ako ng withdrawal. Hindi, ako naman yung TV. Dila na ako ng
Sourdough
Young people these
starter.
days
What is a
are keeping
sourdough starter?
a new kind of pet. See that wiggly blob in the jar? That's not some exotic animal. It's a lump of live yeast, also called a sourdough starter.
Ah, okay.
Dead in the trash.
Dalawampung taon na ang nakalilipas.
James has the mind of an 8-year-old. Every Christmas, he secretly delivers Goodwill Christmas gifts to every house in his small town. But his good intentions raise suspicion.
Want something that you can eat?
Helmet na hindi lang pamporma, kundi
Let's try the
nalo rin sa safety at comfort. DOT at ECA certified kaya pasado sa international standard. Kung ikaw ay rider or backrider,
6K.
samahan mo ako para i-unbox
Pero pwede
natin.
naman.
Ito ang empty helmet thunder.
Girl, habang bagsak fresh ni Shiglam laminating brow gel natin, I think you should go for it. Especially if naghanap ka ng pang-on-flick ng kilay, guys.
Isang atong daw, atong daw. Ano ba? Barbecue. Ano yan? Ano yan? Boss, barbecue, boss. Ano ba? Barbecue. Nagtitinda ka? Oo, iyo, boss. Barbecue, boss. Ano naritinda mo? Ayun, boss, mga 23 daw sa akin. Hindi. Ano, wala? Guys, 13 daw. 13 daw kapatid. Bye. Habol! Tatlo na lang yung kulay. Kapatid. Tatlo na lang.
Tatlong araw lang to sa akin, guys. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Look at this.
Magandang umaga po, mga
Lasagna night, let's plate it up. I did a recipe video of this lasagna. Okay, it's not authentic, but it's delicious. Oh, I like a big old chunk of lasagna. Okay, don't give me a tiny little piece of lasagna. How rude. So there we have our beautiful lasagna. I'm gonna do some tomato. I just like to jump on it like that. Green onion. I'm gonna do 2 of those, I think. And then what I like to have with my lasagna, and I'm not sure how, I don't think this is actually typical at all, but I like to have Greek yogurt with mine. Sometimes I like to have sour cream, but I'm feeling like Greek yogurt today. And if you can get your hands on elephant garlic and just have a piece of garlic on the side, elephant garlic is really big and much more mild. This is some smoked salt that Luis and Andy sent me. I'm going to put that on the table. And who would not want that for dinner? So I'm going to taste it and then I'm going to call the fam. But my Lord, help me.
At may pa-previous pa tong AirPods na bossing madam ko.
What are you doing, Courtney?
Mag-abio check out. DOT free shipping na kuya nationwide mga bossing madam. Go for the go, mag-abio check out na sino pa? Mia and Gina. Shipping naman.
Oh, 3
today's episode of What I'm Eating on the Carnivore Diet. A 2.5 pound
Hi, Dad.
steak.
Just morning prepping. Oh, what's your agenda today? What are you gonna do today? Hi, Mary Ann.
Dear Makwenta Curtis, I
Working in 30 minutes. Oh, okay. Did you eat your breakfast? Do you have breakfast? Hi, Kobe. Thank you. Thank you so much. What's your breakfast? Wala tayong maalala kasi. Hi, Lev. Hi, League. Hi, Joanne. Thank you, Lev. Hi, Emma. Hi, Kakashi. Hello. Hi, Emma. Nagusok ko mention. Hi, Winter.
Ang usapan, casual listening lang ha.
Magdyan na? Ewan ko, te. Nag-iisip pa ako. Not yet. I'll do 2 hours driving. I'll bring smoothie to time me over until I get back home. Oh, okay. Just smoothie? Hi, Moose. Sige lang. Hi, Alfredo Flores. Hi, Jason. Hi, Tom. Hi, Gabriel.
Crawling back to you. On Spotify, pwede mo i-search ang lyrics ng stocks mo una na. Find the song in second. Search lang lyrics on Spotify.
Oh. Oh, I'm already. What? I'm already what? Let me see. Hi, Lon. Hi, GL.